Hey guys, it is wash day, and today I am going to wash my hair. So I did do a pre-poo with Miel Organics. What's it called? It's called Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. I've had it in for a little while. I should have put it in overnight, but whatever. Anyway, so I had to clean the bathroom and stuff, so I put it in and, um, you know, let it sit for a while. And now I'm going to hop in the shower, wash my hair with some Miel shampoo and some kind of conditioner. I'm going to do a deep conditioner after and put on my heat cap. And I will show you the results when it's done. All right, I'm back. So let's take this sucker off. Use it to, oh, the hair is not really that wet, actually. So we'll do this side first and move along. I really abuse my office. Um, okay. Not in too tight to do anything here. I don't know. Let's detangle first and then get to the rest of it. So I can't really see because I am blind as a bat. Okay, I'm not blind as a bat. However, I definitely need reading glasses for when I'm on the computer, which is where I am currently recording this. I'm doing the little pieces on top, so don't leave me a message about brushing from the bottom up. Thanks. Uh, I'm joking. Anyway, so let's grab this big hunk, start at the bottom, brush our way up. When I'm brushing, I also am raking through the hair with my fingers, in case you're wondering. Like I don't brush until I rake, so I kind of know what's going on there. Maybe there's a tangle I need to get out or something like that. Since I did just abuse it with washing, yes, there will be tangles, people. Um, so I actually recommend, as I was washing this because it took so long to wash, I was thinking, I'm just going to recommend that if your stylist, I know my stylist, they do the wash for you for like 35 to $65. If you can afford that, then go let them do it. But if not, I mean, it's not that bad. Um, I am it's not that I'm cheap. Yes, it is. I am cheap, but I also don't have a lot of time. And I don't know if I've told you this story before, but I had made an appointment with the stylist on Style Seat for 12 o'clock. I took a half a day from work. That's my leave time I'm using that I could be using for something else, right? Um, and I went over there early. I got there like, quarter to 12, and I didn't get out of there until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. No, maybe it was six. So, and I spent most of the time. She was very fast as far as when she was actually working on my hair. She was really quick. She was really good. But that wasn't very often. Mostly I was sitting under the dryer. I was sitting waiting for her to do other people's heads and stuff like that. She had like four or five people in front of me. And my rant, which is about to end, because I realized from the tone of my voice that it sounded like a rant, but my rant is why why do you why book someone for a certain time if you're not actually going to see them at that time? And this is my complaint with all stylists. You've been doing this in a lot of cases, in many cases, you've been doing this for years, right? So you should know how to space your time on your calendar, right? And if you've got someone who's coming in at 10 and it takes 2 to 3 hours to do that one person, why would you book people for 11, 12, and 1? You know that you're not going to be finished with that first person, So that is it's one of the reasons um, I don't go to stylists a lot. We're talking maybe every 2 to 3 years. I just mainly do my own hair, um, because I don't have that kind of time. In the time that I am sitting in a stylist, I could be working on one of my businesses. I could be crocheting. I could be writing blog posts. I could be doing emails. I could be doing working overtime at my job and making a little extra money. I could be doing a lot of things besides sitting. I'm not I'm not a patient person. Um, so even when I go to the doctor, his ass better see me at the time that he scheduled me for, or I better be sitting in that room waiting for him, knowing that he's not very far away. Because I have fired doctors before, not necessarily fire them. I just don't go back because my time is precious and I'm paying you for your time. And if you can't honor the contract we've made, so to speak, then I'll find someone who can, right? If you don't know how to manage your time, then I'll find someone who can manage their time. And I'm 60 years old, and I've been searching for a stylist who can manage their time all my life. I ain't found one yet. I'm always sitting in beauty salons waiting for the stylist to get to me. Yeah. So this side is done. We've put coconut oil into the frontal, and we put leave-in on the actual hair. And I think that's all I'm gonna put. Of course, it's getting some of the residual coconut oil off of my hand, but uh, we'll leave that side alone and get to the next side. All right. What do we want to do first? Put leave-in. The side is very wet, though can't tell. So this t-shirt hat comes in handy as both a towel and, something to keep that wet hair off your back. I use a lot. But, it's a lot of hair. So I'm not really that terrible. A lot of hair. When the hair dries, probably tonight or most probably tomorrow, I will address the parts that's coming up. I don't I she being the stylist, she put a cap on. The first thing they did, and I think I've told you this story, and I'm sorry if I'm telling it to you again, but they put a stocking cap on my head and put glue like all in here and then sat me under the dryer for a long time. And then she I don't know what she did then. She like cut it off. I mean, I can see a lot of what she was doing. She cut it off around the ears and all that before putting the frontal on and sewing the hair in. So I say all that to say that I believe that what I'm encountering on the sides is both the stocking cap and the actual closure, and I feel like I'm not getting both, and that's why it doesn't stay down. Um, so I'm trying to figure out because sometimes I'll get one and then I'll still feel another piece of something, you know, up here somewhere. So I just have to figure out where that is. I am taking this out. I did say I was going to do a 30-day trial, right? And experiment with it. That 30 days is up. I don't know if I am built for a frontal. I like the bundles. I like the hair itself. I like the look. I actually even like the frontal, to tell you the truth. Um, but it's very hot for me. And I'm going to the Caribbean in 20 days. Yes. Anyway, so I'm going to the Caribbean, and I don't know if I want to deal with the whole frontal, the glue, the all that stuff, and the heat of the how hot I feel having so much hair, worrying about whether my glue's coming undone, and all that kind of stuff. I just want to drink a lot and do stupid things. I don't want to I don't want my hair to be something that I'm worrying about. What it looks like, is this or that showing? Is it half off my head and I don't even know it because I'm, three sheets to the wind. I don't actually get that drunk. I mean, we do start drinking at 10 in the morning or so. Okay, we start drinking earlier. But when you're on a boat, you don't feel you don't feel drunk. You never actually feel drunk. You just feel very relaxed. You drink a little bit, eat a little bit, sleep some, and then do it some more, go to some shows, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I am totally looking forward to my cruise out of St. Martin at the end of the month. I could have booked it for this weekend, but I did not want to be a pioneer. I didn't want to be, because they started the cruises this weekend. I did not want to be one of the first. I wanted them to do two cruises, before I actually got in there and took my cruise. That is brushing out really nicely. I thought I'd have some tangling in the closure and stuff, but huh, look at that. It's not happening. It's just, wow. I'm impressed. I know that, yes, I am. I'm not an owner in the company. I just work for people basically. But I am, I am very impressed that I washed this whole head. I did not put any conditioner in when I washed it. I just washed it with Miel shampoo, Miel Organics, um, and rinsed it all out and put it in little buns in my little cap, and that was all that I did. I didn't put any conditioner or anything except for this stuff. And did I do the coconut oil yet? I've been running my mouth and I don't even know if I put coconut oil in here or not. Well, I will do it again. I mean, what could it hurt? So I should probably get some liquid coconut oil, huh? But I buy these. I cook with coconut oil a lot. I do a keto diet, so I don't use canola and all that stuff very much. Although my husband does a lot of the cooking, and that man don't care about my diet. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I buy the big bottles of coconut oil. I mean, I buy. They were so big they probably last me about a good 6 to 8 months. I buy it like twice a year or so. So I just took some out of there to experiment with on the frontal. I am so impressed. There are no tangles in here. Lordy B, what's going on? Anyway, so I guess that's it. Um, I like brushing this hair, so I'm gonna just keep brushing it. Let me see. Brush some more. And I was thinking about getting a little more of the moisture out with the dryer, and I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to blow a circuit because I don't trust hair dryers. So I'm going to do that in the bathroom, and I probably will not record it. But the way that I blow the hair is that I would turn this on. I would blow it not directly on the head, but just pointing down at it just to get the top dry and whatever's under here, get all that dry. And then I'm going to blow upwards just to get the curls really bouncy and give them volume or something. I don't know. I saw it on YouTube. Anyway, uh, that's it for now. I'll, of course, take a picture when it's dry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and, like and all that stuff that people do on YouTube. And let me know if you like my t-shirt hat. Thanks.